The endocrine system is a series of glands that produce and regulate chemical messages, what we call or know as hormones within our body. So these hormones serve as they serve a variety of functions, things like controlling your body's internal environment. They respond to environmental changes and assist us in emergencies, so things like infection or stress. They also help regulate our metabolism, regulate our energy balance, and they can contribute to the management of our human growth and development. So we're going to break down each one of these as it relates to exercise. So during exercise, the pituitary gland gets the process started. So it is kind of the control center, and it starts the release of our human growth hormone, which pretty much tells our body to start increasing bone, muscle, and tissue production. After that, once you've started exercising, the thyroid gland will send out hormones that regulate our body temperature, heart rate, and blood pressure. From there, our parathyroid is one of the major hormones that regulate calcium metabolism, and it is involved in both the breakdown and the buildup of bone, which is influenced by both our exercise intensity and duration. So what's important about that is it relates to our bone density and the strength of our bones. So making sure that we have the parathyroid hormone working well, make sure we have strong bones in order to keep the integrity of our skeletal system. The next one is our adrenal glands. So cortisol is the hormone produced by the adrenal glands. It's a catabolic steroid hormone, which means it affects the breakdown of our muscular strength in response to things like stress, low blood sugar, and exercise. So it supports our energy metabolism during long periods of exercise by breaking down triglycerides and proteins and turning them into the sugars necessary to fuel us. Our adrenal glands also produce epinephrine, or what we like to know or call adrenaline, which creates and elevates our cardiac output, increases our blood sugar to help fuel movement and exercise, and promotes the breakdown of glycogen sugars for energy and support of our fat metabolism. So it is an extremely powerful gland. It is the fight or flight gland, so everything happens super fast if we are triggered by some sort of environmental stressor. And it pretty much regulates our sugar intake for exercise and our fat metabolism. The next one is our pancreas. So this one is located in our abdomen. It converts the food we eat into the fuel that our body needs. So the pancreas has two main functions. There's an exocrine function that helps in digestion and an endocrine function that regulates our blood sugar. So as it relates to exercise, the cells in the pancreas produce, store, and secrete insulin, which allows your body to actually use the sugar for energy. So when we exercise and we need extra energy from sugar or glucose, the pancreas is the one that's assisting us in that adventure. So there are more glands within our endocrine system, but that is how they function on a very basic term as it relates to exercise.